Hey, my name is James Mason with Transparent Traders, the Facebook group. In this video, I have two stocks that you should start watching on April 22nd. So before we go any further, all I ask is for you to hit the subscribe button and share some of my videos to give other traders the opportunity to learn and get this information. And if you are new to this channel and are looking for a course to learn how to trade, look up in the playlist section. I have a 40 video course that will teach you how I momentum trade. So let's get into it. For this first ticker, this is ticker CGC. So overall, I'm not really into the marijuana stock companies. I think most of them are a fad, but if there was one of them that I had any faith in, it would be CGC. So, look into the fundamentals later. I'm just going to keep this video as short as possible and explain to you what I see on the chart. So this is the 1 year, 1 day chart. I'm gonna zoom in, a little closer. And yes, this daily candlestick ended up being bearish, mostly due to this gap up, and then it ran up and then came back down. But it was above this upper Bollinger Band. It did completely reverse right here on the MACD, and RSI is obviously pointing up. Now, the reason why I am bullish on this one, if you come back here, look at this. Look from August 13th to August 15th. So starting August 13th, it gapped down a little bit, but then it had this major gap up. Well, the following day, it was red again, and then the day after, that's when it really started to climb up this Bollinger Band, and literally at this point went from right at $31 on up to $47 before it started to really pull back. And when I say pull back, just this little pullback right here, and then it went up more. So this is why I'm bullish on ticker CGC. For the next one, this is ticker HON. So this one, zooming in a little bit right here, it gapped up on the daily chart, complete reversal on the MACD, had great earnings, but it is overextended right here. So starting April 22nd, what I would look for here is to see how this thing opened, and I would wait for it to actually do its first sell-off in the day before I went long in it. So I'd wait for it to sell off, and then as soon as it honestly started trying to come back up on the 5-minute chart, that's when I would start to consider taking a long position and possibly swing it into the next day. So backing out a little bit, you can see this ticker HON just been on this bullish uptrend for a while now, and it started back in December. So that's one big reason right here why I am so bullish on this uptrend and then this gap up. But again, let's try to see this thing sell off on the daily chart a little bit before we actually take a position. Now, at the same time, and this is going to be situational depending on how this opens and everything, but you will have to watch this as this opens in the morning, and again, unless you're going for a quick scalp, I would wait for it to do its first sell-off and see what happened at that point. So these two tickers again, CGC and HON. So I appreciate you guys, and I hope this video helps you out, and I will see you in the next one.